This afternoon, I went to the interior Oman with group of friends. We had fun, however it was so tired. It was lucky we have a place to relax ourselves. This place in the middle between interior Oman and Muscat is called our Feyhaa Resthouse, built by the order of the late His Majesty Sultan Qaboos bin Said Al Said. This is an idea to offer traveler an option to have a place to relax and rest. Our Feyhaa Resthouse is not only providing restaurant, food and beverage services, but also providing some hotel rooms for the people to stay as well. Some other things like table football, pool, billiard is available for you to play. The following locations are just nearby our Feyhaa Resthouse. Our Feyhaa Resthouse is nearby a city called Samail. Around this area, you will see different wadi and forts as well. Staff in Al Feyhaa Resthouse are all very friendly and helpful. And the other highlight of Al Feyhaa Resthouse is the swimming pool. And the garden area is stunning. It's so relaxing. As spoken before, they also offer hotel rooms for you to stay as well. It is a great idea, especially for someone drive for a long time. It is good for you to relax and recharge. Another highlight is the food and beverage service. They have a nice restaurant and they have different options as well. If you are very hungry, go for the buffet. So let's take a look of the buffet. We can see here some coffee, some dessert. So tempted, right? On the other side here, you can see the main courses. They also have a huge selection of cold dishes. I would say it is very personal. For me, I cannot really have lots of food for dinner. You can see here, just lots of food. A huge salad buffet with hummus and other choices. And if you just want to relax and recharge, I recommend you to try different desserts or something small from the a la carte menu, or just a coffee or tea is also fine. In general, Al Feyhaa Resthouse is really a great idea. After visiting the Al Feyhaa Resthouse, we are all feeling fully recharged and we are ready to continue our journey back home. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.